After 2 years of fighting, the parents of the Oxford school shooter have cut legal ties, convincing the judge to grant them separate trials. Could there now be another delay? That's our top story at 10 o'clock. Thanks for being with us. I'm Kimberly Gill.
And I'm Damon Fernandez in for Devin Skillian tonight. James and Jennifer Crumbly were initially set to be tried together as co-defendants, with the trial set for January 23rd.
But attorneys for the pair filed motions to separate the two, citing a possible conflict. A judge then granted that request this afternoon. Pamela Osborne is on this story for us tonight. Pam, it seems like we're going to be waiting even longer for these cases to go to trial now.
So yes and no. One of these trials will start in January, but a legal expert tells me the Crumbly's defense team, the second go-round of it, they are going to have the opportunity to review the transcripts from the first trial, which could impact the timeline and when the second trial can begin.
We knew this was coming. We knew the conflict was coming.
Todd Flood, former prosecuting attorney and managing partner of Flood Law, says it makes sense that Jennifer and James Crumbly would want separate trials.
With the mass amount of witnesses and the mass amount of evidence that's in play here, this is going to be at least a 2 to 3 week jury trial. At least.
Both parents are facing 4 counts of involuntary manslaughter after their son, Ethan, brought a gun to school and used it to kill 4 of his classmates. He's already pleaded guilty. The prosecution alleges the Crumblys were negligent, saying they should have gotten their son help instead of buying him a handgun. The fact that they'll no longer be tried together could complicate things for the defense.
What about any kind of shared secrets that an attorney received by one of the defendants when he wasn't representing that one defendant?
And with one parent now set for trial ahead of the other, there's another consideration. The defense for the second Crumbly trial will want and have the right to review transcripts from the first trial.
That's going to be the biggest delay.
2 trials will take double the time. It will cost the county more, but that's little, Flood says, in comparison to the trauma witnesses will have to relive twice more.
You just want due process. Win, lose, or draw, you just want 12 people in a jury box to decide a case. And, you want justice to ring.
It's not just the families and the Oxford community that are looking for a conclusion to all of this. This is really the first time ever that parents have been charged for their child's action when it comes to a shooting. So a lot of people are looking towards what happens next following this. I should mention, before either Crumbly parent has their day in court, their son, he will be sentenced on December 8th. Reporting live tonight, I'm Pamela Osborne, Local 4.
All right, Pamela, thanks for that update.